Day 18, the magical to-do list. The world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Eden Phillpotts, 1862 to 1960, novelist and poet. Really, when you think about it, gratitude is your best friend. It is always there for you, always available to help you. It will never fail you or let you down. And the more heavily you lean on it, the more it will do for you, and the more it will enrich your life. Today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more, so it can do far more magical things for you. Every day, there are little life problems that come up and that need solving. Sometimes we can feel overwhelmed if we don't know how to solve a situation. Maybe a problem, maybe your problem is that you don't have enough time for all the things you need to do. And you are at a loss because there are only 24 hours in the day. It may be that you feel overwhelmed from work and you want more free time, but you can't see any way to have it. You may be at home taking care of children and you're feeling frazzled or exhausted, but you don't have the means to get support to give you time out. You may be faced with a problem that needs fixing, but you have no idea which way to turn to fix it. You may have lost something and tried your best to locate it, but had no luck. Or you might want to find something like the perfect pet, perfect babysitter, great hairdresser, or amazing dentist or doctor, and despite your best efforts, you haven't been able to find what you need. You could be in an uncomfortable situation because of something a person has asked you to do, and you don't know how to respond to them. Or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone, and instead of getting it resolved, things seem to be getting worse. This magical to do list will help you with any little day to day problems when you don't know what to do, or when you simply want something to be done for you. You will be amazed at the results. When you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, people, circumstances, and events must be rearranged to do what you want done for you. You will not know how it will happen or how it will be done for you, and that is not your job. Your job is to be simply to be as grateful as you can be for what you want done right now, as though it were done, and then let the magic happen. Today, create a written to do list of the most important things you would like to be done or resolved for you, and title your list the magical to do list. You might put things on your list that you don't have time to do or don't want to do, along with any current problems, from the smallest day to day things to bigger life situations. Think through any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you. When you finished making a list, choose three things from your list to focus on today. And one at a time, imagine that each item has been magically done for you. Imagine that all people, circumstances, and events have been moved to do it for you, and it is now done. All done, all sorted, all solved for you, and you are giving massive thanks in return for it having been done. Spend at least 1 minute on each of your three items, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. You can follow the same practice on the rest of the items on your list at another time, but there is power in simply putting the things you want done on your magical to do list. Remember that the law of attraction says like attracts like. And that means that when you are grateful for the solutions, as though you have them, you will attract everything you need into your life to resolve the situation. Focusing on problems attracts more problems. You have to be a magnet to the solution and not a magnet to the problem. Being grateful that you have the solution and that it has been resolved attracts the solution. To demonstrate how powerful this magical practice is, I want to share a story with you about my daughter who used this practice to attract her lost wallet back to her. After being out one night, my daughter discovered the next morning that she did not have her wallet and she had no idea where she might have lost it, or even if it had been stolen. She called the restaurant where she went to dinner, the taxi company she used to come home, the local police station, and she searched the streets and knocked on surrounding doors, but no one had found her wallet. Other than that, Other than the fact that my daughter's wallet contained the usual precious things in it, including all her bank and credit cards, driver's license, and cash, her biggest concern was that her wallet contained no current contact information because she had been overseas for some time. She didn't have a publicly listed phone number, and with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope. But despite the seemingly impossible obstacles, my daughter sat down, closed her eyes, and got a picture of her wallet in her mind. She visualized that she was holding her wallet in her hands. She opened her wallet, she went through all its contents, and she felt enormous gratitude that she had her wallet and everything in it back and in her hands. For the rest of the day, whenever she thought of it, again my daughter imagined she had her wallet in her hands and she felt enormous elation and gratitude that her wallet had been returned to her. Later that night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away saying that he had found her wallet. The extraordinary part of the story is that the farmer had found the wallet in the street outside my daughter's home in the early hours of the morning. And he immediately searched the wallet looking for contact details. He made several calls in trying to find its owner, but to no avail. And so he gave up and drove back to his farm with the wallet. But while he was walking out in the fields at his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him, and he decided to search through one last time. He found a small piece of paper with the man's Christian name written on it, and so he put the Christian name together with my daughter's surname and called directory assistance. There was just one listing for that Christian name and surname. The farmer called the phone number, and it was the home of my daughter's father. To this day, we do not know how the farmer got that phone number because it was an unlisted number. We called the directory assistants ourselves several times after this happened, and the response every time was, sorry, there is no listing for that name. From 100 miles away, through the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events, my daughter's wallet was returned to her intact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back, and as must happen, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person, circumstance, and event to her to return her wallet to her. The magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well, and it always has been. You just had to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it. Magic practice number 18, the magical to do list. Number one, count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessings, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. Create a written list of the most important things or problems you need done or solved. Title your list the magical to do list. Choose three of the most important things from your list, and one at a time, imagine that each thing has been done for you. Spend at least 1 minute on each thing, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. There was a recent example I had. I got my first vaccine shot in first week of April. And lockdown started happening on the 17th, 18th April. Delhi was down, a lot of other states down. I think end of April, Punjab also did a lockdown. So I had a very clear thing in my mind that I want to have my second shot of Covishield. And then I'm going to take a 2-week stay at home in isolation. I made this very clear to me. कि ये मैंने करना है. And there was a time, first week May, second week May, there was no vaccine available. मारो मार लगी पड़ी थी, वैक्सीन ही नहीं मिल रही. चलो जी, अब मैंने इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग मैनिफेस्ट कर लिया कि मैंने 2 हफ्ते घर बैठना है. मैंने 2 हफ्ते के लिए अपनी बुक्स ऑर्डर कर दी. उन 2 हफ्तों के लिए मैंने अपने कोर्सेज इनरोल कर लिए बैक टू बैक कि मैंने ये 2 हफ्ते घर बैठना है and I have to make good use of this time. I'm not going to let go and I'm going to get vaccinated. Out of the blue, one of my cousin calls me कि यहाँ पे वैक्सीन है, second shot ले रहे हैं, my parents have gone. I send my driver कि you also get your second shot done and tell me if the place is okay. So I had a negative in my mind because I sent him first. This I realized after this happened. He called me from there, sir, vaccine खत्म हो गई है. Okay. I called up my cousin. I said, यार वहाँ पे वैक्सीन खत्म हो गई, but I'm very sure I'm going to get my second shot in a day or so. He said, don't worry, we'll get it sorted. He messaged me 10 minutes after that. There is a camp near to your house. This is the Covaxin का वो app है जहाँ पे वो number of shots दिखाते हैं. And I believe they had 24 shots available. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I sat in the car, called Ruchi, hurry up and come, did my thank yous, went to the vaccine, that station, got my second shot done, came out, called others कि अब आप आ लगवा लो. Within a matter of 5 minutes, they closed the vaccination center. We are through. Exact date जब मैंने सोचा था कि मेरे को वो वैक्सीन लग जाएगी, मुझे वो सेकंड शॉट लगा. I was home for good 2 weeks doing all my courses which I had aligned, all the books I wanted to read. There are 18 people who needed that second shot in my house, including my brother, my bhabhi, my drivers, maids, servants, to everybody. Only me and Ruchi got it. किसी को नहीं लगा. और अब उसके बाद वो 84 days हो गया है. So it's a 14 weeks. They'll get it after 14 weeks. So it works. And especially at that time, जब वैक्सीन नहीं थी, फिर भी मैंने उसको मैनिफेस्ट किया कि नहीं मुझे तो लगवानी है. 2 दिन लगे. It's like when you make up your mind आपने करना है ना, तो फिर वो कहते हैं ना, वो जब आप शिद्दत से कोई चीज मांगते हैं तो कायनात भी makes its way for you. And I was very clear, मुझे लगवानी जो मर्जी हो. And I didn't do a lot of phone calls. I was clear I wanted. I just did 2 or 3 phone calls. That's all. So and so, I had the number of the vaccination guy in Ludhiana who's monitoring all the vaccines. I called him for my other, मतलब कि भैया ने लगवाना है and everything. Sir, अभी तो कुछ नहीं होगा, रुक जाओ आप. गवर्नमेंट ने अमेंडमेंट कर दी उसके 4 दिन या 5 दिन बाद की, 14 वीक से पहले आप लगवा ही नहीं सकते सेकंड शॉट. दिस इज फॉर कोविशील्ड. And I never even thought कि यार मेरे को दोनों वैक्सीन फ्री मिलेगी. Both my vaccines, I never paid a money. I never paid a single rupee. I got both my shots in a camp, both free of cost.
पैसे ना देने पड़े भी मैनिफेस्ट किया तुमने?
मैंने पैसे आए नहीं मेरी मैनिफेस्टेशन में. लिटरली नहीं आए. नहीं तो बंदा कहता है मैंने इतने पैसे देने हैं. मेरे को था कि मैंने लगवानी है.
जो देना पड़े, जो भी हो, मेरे को मैंने लगा जो भी whatever it costs. ये नहीं बोला तू.
मैंने लगवानी है. पैसे दिमाग में आया ही नहीं. लिटरली नहीं आए. It was just कि I want this. And I was so clear, so focused कि I have those 2 weeks to spend at home. मतलब it happened, the courses were aligned back to back in those 2 weeks जब मेरे को करना था.
Excellent.
बीच में just imagine, बीच में एक कोर्स ने डेट चेंज कर दी, क्लैश हो गया. और मैंने उनको फोन किया कि जी मैं ऑलरेडी 21 से 24 में कमिटेड हूँ. I cannot do this course. Either you do it till 2 because that is at 4. I cannot. It'll clash. They said, okay, we'll last 2 days. It was supposed to start at 17th. I think it started at 18th or 19th. They said last 2 days ना हम आपको 9 से 2 कर देंगे, 2 बजे फ्री कर देंगे. 21st, my second course had to start. 20th, they closed the course at 6:30 that we have finished the course. You don't need to come tomorrow.
Excellent.
और मैंने इसी लाइन किया था कि 21st को 20th को ये खत्म हो जाएगा. ओरिजिनल डेट्स वही थी. 21st से दूसरा हो जाएगा तो बैक टू बैक हो जाएगा, मेरा काम चल जाएगा.
Excellent.
Any questions or any gray areas regarding?
The to-do list is basically for an action, a particular thing. I mean, the difference between this and all your wishes come true.
Not your wants, like what you want to, not material, na?
Not
ड्रीम लिस्ट तो बनाई हुई है ना.
हाँ, तो वो because वो भी तुम manifest कर रहे हो कि and then you get to कि you've already received it. Thank you for that. ये भी तुमने वैसे ही करना है. The technique is the same. That thank you
Part
for
of your day to day. Like for example, I am like for me a to-do list task was I have to get vaccinated. I did not do it through the to-do list, but yeah, that was a task here. I want a particular thing to be delivered from my vendor tomorrow. मुझे कल ही चाहिए ये. It can be anything. I want this particular thing to be done tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Small, whatever thing in your day to day.
Yeah.
This is also short term, है ना?
I would not say short term. I would say it's a day to day activity. It's not part of your dream list.
Especially in areas where like you really wanted to get the second dose. So somebody really wants to get probably time with their kids, पर उसको बच्चों के लिए time नहीं मिल पा रहा. Something which they are missing in their day-to-day things, which they really want, but वो हो
Or
नहीं
their
पा रहा.
relationships.
Or their relationships. Anything जो छोटी सी चीज है.
Relationship,
Something
I would not say, because relationship has been separately covered.
I mean, time management. Like you are stuck with some petty things जिससे तुम निकल नहीं पा रहे, और जिससे तुम निकलोगे तो तुम्हें ज़्यादा time मिलेगा दूसरी जगह, which you want to spend more time in that area. Like you want to do a course and you're not able to, think through कि यार मैं इसके लिए time कैसे निकालूंगा, because I'm so preoccupied there. So you manifest कि मैंने ये course करना है and मैंने कर लिया है, and make it to your to-do list, and then universe will give you time off for it.
Yeah, because
For it.
as the chapter suggests, na, to-do list is part of your day-to-day जो आप रोज का करना चाहते हो. It can be your timetable wherein you want to do this, you want this, important things you write. कि आज ये होना चाहिए, आज ये आना चाहिए, ये भी करना है, ये मीटिंग जरूरी है, and all that.
Yeah. As small as getting up early. कि यार मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना है, मैं नहीं उठ पा रहा हूँ.
So you suggest you do it like we do it every day.
You can do it every
So
day.
कर सकते हो. Yeah.
चाहे पिछली वाली to do list पूरी भी ना हुई.
The mind is, पता क्या है, इसमें क्या है, this whole process of this gratitude and everything, working with the mind, is you are ensuring that the mind is where you want it to be. I'll do a small exercise. Guys, just close your eyes. And I do not want you to think about a pink elephant. I'm making myself very, very clear. I do not want you to think about the pink elephant. You can open your eyes and share your pink elephant.
We'll always think about the pink elephant.
Yes, that's where the mind goes. So if you direct your mind that this is what is going to happen in this day, and you are visualizing it, you are getting your mind to that, na? Using gratitude.
So I got a white elephant, which was changing shades in between to pink and then coming back to white.
Yeah, could be. It happens.
So I was like deliberately holding it out to some other different color, but yes, it started off with an elephant only. I
Yeah.
could have thought about a bird or anything.
माइंड की कॉन्सेप्ट बड़ा सिंपल है. जितना भी आप एक चीज को ना रेजिस्ट करने की कोशिश करते हो ना माइंड को, वो और परसिस्ट होता है. पिंक नहीं देखना, व्हाइट देखना. व्हाइट आएगा, फिर धीरे से पिंक चले जाएगा. Don't like that. Don't wonder. Because that's the command it was given, na.
वैसे ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ पिंक दिखता है भला साहब? पिंक देखने से कोई इतना प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं?
नहीं, वो सोनी ने मना कितना सी नहीं देखना, तो फिर मैं कहते देख ही लइए.
पर पिंक वैसे पसंद है कलर?
हैं? यार
पिंक पसंद है वैसे कलर?
नहीं है.
मजाक कर रहा
बिल्कुल
हूं.
पसंद है जी, बिल्कुल पसंद
I
है.
remember there was this guy, भला you remember ना, कि क्या था वो जो ओम के साथ चोलामंडलम में होता था, पंचकुला का guy,
वरुण
something. This guy sent me a video, okay, very funny. Since we are youngsters, I can share it. It had this dialogue called "Oh Pinky, पद मारिया बड़ा सिटिंकी." I can never forget that. और पिंक से ना मेरा माइंड वहीं पे जाता है. चलो. Anything else anybody wants to share?